Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to solve DX execution problem. If you didn't visit our website yet, then please do visit. So without any ado, let's start today's video. So there may have any issue behind the DX execution failed, so let's discuss what are those causing this DX execution error. 1. In the blocks editor, look in the lower left corner of the window for the yellow and red triangle icons. If the red icon has a value larger than 0, you have a serious coding error. Find the block in your code that has a red triangle and fix it. Second possibility is, your AIA file is larger than the 10 megabits limit allowed in AI2. The AIA cannot be larger than 10 MB. Third possibility is, you might have more than 10 screens in your app. AI2 frequently becomes unstable when more than 10 screens are used. Fourth possibility is, sometimes, if you have lots of layouts on a single screen, the app might not compile. Fifth possibility is, you might have used an alpha character in the app's version number. The version number must be all numerical digits. If still your issue not solved, then visit this blog, you may get your solution.